Hello, today I introduce you to the FTL41. FTL41 is a tuning fork level switch produced by ENDRESS+HAUSERY. Using the vibrating tuning fork principle for liquid level measurement, when the tuning fork is in contact with the liquid, the frequency of its vibration will change, thus triggering the switch signal. The main advantages and features are as follows. Wide applicability. One measurement system can be used for all pumpable liquids, no need to adjust to different media, greatly reducing the cost and complexity of use. High reliability. No mechanical moving parts, avoiding the risk of failure due to mechanical wear and tear, stable and maintenance-free operation, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Plug and play. Based on its advanced sensor technology, the device is plug and play. Easy to operate, no need for complex calibration process, and can be put into use quickly, saving installation and commissioning time. Unaffected by media characteristics. Measurement is not affected by media flow, turbulence, bubbles, foam, vibration, or sediment, etc., and can accurately detect changes in liquid level, ensuring the reliability and stability. High repeatability. High repeatability of the switching point can maintain stable performance in long-term operation, providing accurate level signals for industrial process control. Full range of approvals, international explosion-proof approvals ATEX, IECX, etc., WHG approvals, as well as various safety and design approvals, such as N10000 to 104 to 3.1, ASMEB 31.3, etc., can be safely used in hazardous areas and various industrial environments. That's all for today. If you still have any questions, you can contact us on our website. Thank you for listening.